Trending quantum stocks. We have IONQ and RGTI. Quantum IONQ is up 15.35%. RGTI is up 14.41%. So let's see what's going on with them. What's the readout saying? So INQ is experiencing a strong surge with the trading and investing community actively discussing whether this marks the start of a major breakout. Traders are pointing to early strength in volume as a signal of momentum, while others highlight the company's acquisition of Oxford Ionics as a potential long-term growth driver. There's also heightened speculation about upcoming analyst day catalyst, which is going on right now, which many believe could provide fresh guidance on INQ's roadmap and partnerships. At the same time, chatter about a potential squeeze is fueling further excitement, with members debating aggressive price actions or price targets and weighing the classic dilemma of whether to sell into strength or hold for a bigger move. RGTI is equally trending, benefiting from rising enthusiasm around the quantum computing sector as a whole. Community members are speculating that upcoming contract news or sector-wide momentum could be behind the surge, with some suggesting that broader market conditions are sparking a squeeze across quantum names. The bullish sentiment is drawing parallels between our GTI setup and IONQ's price action, with many traders framing it as a sector sympathy play. As investors increasingly look for exposure to quantum computing, our GTI is being positioned as a key contender in this rapidly evolving space, with speculation intensifying about its growth trajectory and ability to capitalize on the industry's expanding opportunities. So we're beginning with IONQ. The gain is 15.35%, intraday high in this session, $56.07. Let's see what we have here. This is the 4-hour chart. Higher prices on this 4-hour chart is expected to remain in place at least up till Tuesday, the 16th of September, midday. Outside that, projections, we have 45.20. It's a down projection. So we can rely on this 56.07 as an upper projection. We may find higher projections elsewhere or previously. Let's see, 52.15, 52.71. I think we may be able to find higher projections on the 1 minute chart. The price pressure momentum is saying that let's have a look on this 4-hour chart. Everything is strongly bullish. However, we have a fractional second derivative here, maybe indicating that maybe we got this rejection here. That may be behind this fractional second derivative we have here. So it's indicating that it's facing some challenges from the resistance, especially at $56, 56.07. Yeah. Let's have a look at the daily charts on IONQ. Okay, here we are. We can see strength is expected to remain in place up till Tuesday the 16th, and then after that we might get into a contraction at various times, also attempting to spike or to bounce, but the contraction is expected to I think, let's just say it's expected to go into a distributive contraction from Tuesday the 16th, and then expected to remain in place up till Tuesday the 7th of October, and then after that we might get a bounce. No guarantee that that will be the case. 50.25 is a down projection. 50, yeah, we have 52, 52.69, 57.22, 60.01. So indeed higher projections have there are indeed high projections, not in play now, but they were in play earlier on. We have I think I saw 69 now. Yeah, we have up to 62.82, 69.12, 67.52, yeah, 55.39. Yeah, that's because his five is not as high, not an upper projection. So we don't need to bother looking at the 1 minute chart. We've seen more ambitious projections. Okay, let's see what we have for our GTI. Our GTI up 14.59%. Okay, underlying trend strongly bullish. Okay, here we have just, I think, pretty much like IONQ. By Tuesday, after Tuesday, it's a distributive contraction is expected to kick in and remain in place up till Wednesday, the 22nd of August. Upper projections are saying 18.37, 20.1, and 21.17. 18.37 is a downward projection. Nothing here yet. Okay, but let's see what the price pressure momentums are saying. 21.1. Okay, we actually have higher projections. $22 I just saw now. 22.83, 21.06. $17.36. Okay, we have 30, 26.31, 34.09, 38.89. At 8.89, okay, 34 points, we've mentioned that already. Okay, price pressure momentum. Let's see what we have here. Okay, yeah, everything is strongly bullish. However, we have fractional derivatives indicating that it may be facing some resistance. Yeah, it got rejected at 20.13. That may have affected some of these derivatives. Let's see what we have on the 4-hour chart for RGTI. Yeah, it's distributive contraction is expected to kick in by the strange. Okay, yeah, by Monday's pre-market session, Monday the 15th, and then my remaining place up till Tuesday, is the 23rd of September. Projections here are saying, okay, they're all downward projections, 12.17, 12.83, 13.90. Yeah, okay, 20.93 is, even slight upper projection, slightly further up. But we've mentioned projections, upper projections on the daily chart. Here, yeah, I think that rejection at 20.13 may have affected the second derivative on this 21 period moving averages, just indicating that, yeah, they're indeed validating the fact that resistance ahead and has not been able to break through that. Yeah, just like we've seen already, 20.06, 22.09, 23.34. And indeed, there are down projections. There are indeed down projections. We have 12.10, 12.72, 13.73. Yeah. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of these stocks, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.